We all love Wales, don't we? But the thing is, climate change is affecting us and our beautiful country, and it'll have more and more of an impact in the future. The communities we call home and our incredible nature are all at risk, but we can do something about it. If we want Wales to flourish, we need to deal with the things that cause climate change. That means cutting our greenhouse gas emissions much faster than we are at the moment. Fast enough to ensure that Wales plays its part in the global fight against climate change. We need the Welsh Government to act now. We need them to make sure that everyone in Wales lives in a warm and energy-efficient home. We need them to really get behind renewable energy and help develop our economy in a way that doesn't damage the climate. Cutting our emissions will help us limit the risks to the things we love and want to protect. If we achieve this, our legacy will be a Wales fit for future generations, one that they can be proud of. So please speak up. Share this video to show you want action to tackle climate change now.